Hi everyone, and today I'd like to show you how to replace the batteries on your Gazco Rivet 2 fire. All Rivet 2 fires have a built-in battery pack which provides the power to open the gas valve and also create the spark to start the fire. These batteries are 4 AA batteries and will need to be replaced annually. Today I will go through the procedure of how to remove the trim on the fire and to get at this battery pack and replace the batteries. To find the battery pack in this fire, you'll firstly need to remove 2 pieces of trim on the side of the fire. You start on the left hand side and get your finger on top of this magnetic piece on the side, pull it towards the center of the fire, and this piece can be removed. You do the exact same on the right hand side, get your finger in over the top, pull it towards the center, and this magnetic trim piece will come down. The third and final piece that you need to remove is the bottom piece. This pulls out, and when you're pulling this out, you will also see a cable. This cable is what holds the batteries, this battery pack, and this is where you need to replace the 4 AA batteries. When you've replaced your batteries, just reverse the previous steps of removing the trim. And use your remote control to start the fire. I hope you found these tips useful, and thanks again for watching.